can see, I'm driving and that temperature gauge have not even moved. This car, I've had this car for 20 something years and it had been having overheating problems. I had a couple of motors put in it, and this last time I had all the gaskets replaced, and so it's been rebuilt. But now I noticed that the gauge is not working, so I'm thinking there's a sensor or anything. Something's gone bad. I know it's heating up because when I turn on the heat, it gets hot, it gets warm. So that lets me know my water in my heater is hot. So I'm thinking it's a sensor, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'll let you guys know what was the problem. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I found out what was wrong with my temperature gauge, why it wasn't working here on my Ford Mustang. It's a 1995 6-cylinder convertible, but let me show you what was wrong. If you look under the hood and look right here, the sensor right here was gone. Not this sensor here, you know, it's this one right here. It wasn't out, it was just wasn't connected. It had a lot of corrosion and stuff. So what I did, I pulled it off and cleaned around this right here, and I plugged it back in and it worked fine. If it don't work, just go ahead and take this off right here and replace it. Make sure your engine is cool before you try to start replacing this. So I'm gonna put it back on and I'm gonna go for a drive. Okay, I think that was the problem. As you can see, I drove it for a couple of miles and you see my temperature gauge is reading normal. As you've seen before, it wasn't working, so that sensor was the problem. But I probably just end up changing that sensor since it's been about 20 years. I haven't ever changed it, but for right now, I'm gonna just leave it in there. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to purchase this sensor or anything, just look in my description or visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. All right, thank you.